What lies beyond the observable universe? Imagine standing on the edge of the universe, looking out into an endless, unknowable abyss. What lies beyond? Scientists say we can only see 4% of the universe. The rest, a staggering 96%, remains hidden, beyond our reach, beyond our understanding. What secrets are out there? Could there be entire galaxies, parallel universes, or even civilizations we'll never know exist? The truth is stranger than fiction, and today we're diving deep into the greatest mystery of all: what lies beyond the observable universe. The cosmic horizon, the limits of what we can see. Let's start with something mind-blowing. The universe is almost 14 billion years old. That means the farthest light we can detect has been traveling for 14 billion years to reach us. But due to cosmic expansion, those distant galaxies aren't just 14 billion light-years away, they're much farther. In fact, scientists estimate that the observable universe stretches across 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's everything we can see, but it's not everything that exists. So, what's beyond this cosmic horizon? The simple answer: we don't know. But we have some intriguing theories. The infinite universe theory. Does it ever end? One possibility is that the universe is truly infinite. Imagine zooming out, past the farthest galaxies we can see, past the limits of our technology. Instead of a cosmic wall, space just keeps going forever. This means there could be countless other galaxies, planets, and even civilizations beyond what we'll ever observe. But if the universe is infinite, it raises a strange possibility. Are there infinite versions of us? Mind-bending idea of cosmic clones. If space is truly infinite, then every possible arrangement of atoms must eventually repeat. Just like rolling a dice an infinite number of times will eventually produce the same result. This means that mathematically, somewhere out there, an exact copy of you might exist. A duplicate Earth, a duplicate solar system, an alternate version of our history. It sounds like science fiction, but this is a real possibility if the universe is truly endless. But what if the universe isn't infinite? The cosmic bubble theory. Other universes exist? What if our universe isn't the only one? Scientists propose that we live in a cosmic bubble, a vast expanding sphere of space-time. But beyond this bubble, there may be other universes with different laws of physics, different types of matter, and maybe even different versions of reality. This is called the multiverse theory, and it suggests that there could be infinite parallel universes, each with its own unique set of physical rules. Some universes might be completely empty, while others could have exotic life forms beyond our imagination. But here's where it gets even weirder. The edge of time, can we ever see beyond? If the universe is expanding, will we ever be able to see beyond the observable horizon? Sadly, no. The further away something is, the faster it's moving away from us due to the expansion of space. Eventually, galaxies will move so fast that their light will never reach us. This means that over time we'll see less and less of the universe. Billions of years from now, future civilizations may look up at the sky and see nothing, only a cold, empty void. But what if there's a way to reach beyond? Could we ever travel beyond our universe? Is there any way to go beyond the observable universe? Right now, the laws of physics say no. Even traveling at the speed of light, we'd never reach the cosmic edge. But some scientists propose wormholes, hypothetical shortcuts through space-time that could allow instant travel to distant regions of the cosmos. If wormholes exist, they could be gateways to unseen parts of the universe, or even other universes. And what if something else is already traveling through these gateways? unknown. What else might be out there? If we can only see 4% of the universe, what's hidden in the other 96%? Dark matter, an invisible substance holding galaxies together. Could entire civilizations exist in this hidden matter, unseen to us? Dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating the expansion of the universe. Could this energy be part of a larger cosmic structure beyond our understanding? Are alien megastructures? Could intelligent life forms beyond our observable universe have built cosmic-scale structures that we'll never detect? The truth is, we may never know. But one thing is certain: the universe is far bigger and stranger than we can possibly imagine. What do you think? So, what do you think lies beyond the observable universe? Are we just a tiny speck in an endless cosmos? Or is there a hidden, unseen reality waiting to be discovered? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love exploring the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep looking up.